Day number 12 of Does the Law of Attraction Work? Before we get into it, I just wanted to share something I learned today, which is why microfiber is used to clean our glasses, sunglasses, or even our phone screens of, either face oil or finger oils. It's because microfiber is made out of polyester. And polyester has properties that absorb or attract oil. And for that reason, microfiber is the material of choice when it comes to cleaning one's glasses or phone screens or areas with high, touch and human oils. Anyways, today I noticed that my awareness, the quality of my awareness was a little less, and things were a little bit more cloudy, and which means that I was going on autopilot parts of my day. And the reason for that, I believe, is because I didn't meditate in the morning. I usually devote a good chunk of time to meditate in the morning, and that keeps me, just like working out, keeping your muscles in shape. It helps me keep my awareness muscles intact. And so I felt like for that reason, I was a little bit more kind of autopilot and just maybe not as intentional in my for my day as I usually am. Let's see. I just wrote some notes down that I wanted to share with you. Something else that I made some connections with is because I've been a lot more physically active during the past week. A lot more than usual. Well, I took a little break, but I practiced jiu-jitsu, and I was training quite hard going up to a tournament, and then after the tournament, I took a little break because I felt my body was, it was going through a lot, and so took a little break, but kept training here and there. And this past week, I kind of turned it up a little bit more, so I had quite a few more sessions, and I'm really I can feel that my body is giving me the first signs of overtraining. For example, having a little bit of pain here or whatnot. So as much as I want to go, I think I need to kind of take it a little easier. And the reason I'm sharing this with you today is because I want to share that life takes place in many planes, right? And one is the physical plane. The physical plane is our body. Whatever we see out in this physical world is that, the physical plane. And there's a more energetic plane. There's the planes of thought. A lot of us are in our mental plane a lot. I think most people are in the mental plane nowadays. And some people may be more in their physical body, so maybe they'll play in the physical plane a lot more. Maybe people who use their body for a profession or whatnot, who may be more in the moment than a person who's in their head. So people who are in the mental plane are people who usually probably work on the computer. So it's a lot of people now doing a lot of thinking, a lot less physical activity, but just sitting and being your brain. And so there's a lot of these subtle gradations of these planes. And again, I wanted to share with you that life takes place in many planes, and we have to be well adjusted at each plane, right? So if you're a person who's just all mental, and here you may disregard your body, and your body may start to deteriorate faster or get weaker as faster than it naturally would, things like that. Whereas a person who's in the physical plane, they may be really working on their body physically. They're looking great. They may be stronger, things like that, but they may be disregarding the more the plane of the heart, or the mental plane. And so just making sure that we're not disregarding any parts of ourselves. So again, the physical, maybe it might be the emotional, the heart, maybe it's the mental plane, and maybe it's beyond, right? So just really finding that, and having a better balance, so that you're not just one at living at one plane. All right, so this is day 12. I'll see you for day 13.